Did you know that nature holds powerful remedies for inflammation right in your backyard? Before we dive in, if you've ever wanted to grow your own healing herbs at home, the Medicinal Garden Kit makes it super easy. It includes seeds for the most powerful medicinal plants perfect for supporting your wellness naturally. You'll find the link to get yours in the description below. Inflammation is your body's natural defense system, but when it becomes chronic, it can cause joint pain, fatigue, and even lead to heart and digestive issues. The best part is that nature has provided us with herbs that can help reduce inflammation naturally, and you can even grow them at home. Let's explore a few of the best ones. Turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, one of the strongest natural anti-inflammatory compounds. It helps relieve joint pain, stiffness, and muscle soreness. Ginger. Packed with gingerol, it reduces inflammation and boosts immunity. A cup of fresh ginger tea daily can make a real difference. Chamomile. Famous for its calming effects, chamomile also soothes inflammation in the gut and muscles, helping your body relax and recover. Echinacea. Known for strengthening the immune system, echinacea also reduces swelling and fights oxidative stress. Peppermint. Its cooling menthol helps relax muscles, ease digestion, and reduce inflammatory discomfort. You can use these herbs as teas, in meals, or even make natural remedies at home. And with the Medicinal Garden Kit, you can easily grow all these healing plants in your own backyard or even on your balcony, no gardening experience needed. Reducing inflammation naturally is one of the simplest and healthiest choices you can make for your body. So why not start today? If you want to grow these powerful herbs yourself, check out the Medicinal Garden Kit. It's beginner-friendly and includes everything you need to start your own natural medicine garden. The link is in the description below. Take the first step toward a healthier, more natural lifestyle.